y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It still feels very weird that I say that. Anyway, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing an art project that I saw on Pinterest and I just wanted to try it out. There is a high chance it won't work, but I really wanted to try because I have lots of cardboard lying around in my house and I just wanted to reuse it and make something cool out of it. So for this project you will need 5 things, maybe 6 things, something around those times. First, paints, cardboard, Fevicol, scissors, basic, and patience. So today Vikram is going to be helping me out in this project. So this is Vikram. Did you hurt your back? Okay. So say hi.
Hi.
Like to the
Hi.
yeah.
Okay.
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 So this is basic cardboard art that we are gonna try. So basically the idea is to have like a base cardboard and paint this and make triangle cardboards with this and then stick it on this
And then?
in like a design. It becomes a photo frame.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around.
You can cut some triangles with these. Whatever shapes, different sizes triangles. You know?
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder?
The base. These are gonna be the triangles which we can like put like that and stick it around. This makes it look like an art piece.
Tell me what the end product should look like.
It should look like a photo, like abstract thing with like triangles around this.
Say what?
And what will be on
The triangles.
and on that?
Nothing. Paint.
You said it's a photo frame.
It'll look like a photo frame, like you can put it on the wall. It's just an abstract thing. Okay. So, let's get wild and let's get painting.
Like the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.
The next step after this is to paint the triangles. Now the triangles can be painted in whatever color, like popping colors like pink or blue or orange and purple.
You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain, too young, why you gotta go?
Like some abstract 3D abstract things.
I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Keep it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum.
So what is this?
It's abstract art.
Abstract.
And I also wanted to thank all of you for all the love and support that you've shown me since yesterday, and it's really nice.